ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ISTV News Bank tabir puno po taram noksri hoje ahan badang sing muru pau lobisi nungba PHC da sahi ani gi mamang da sabal loikiba operation theater asoiba leibana hoje pauba season ba yadna lady hoje pau sanno pijri National Highway Contra Taret ki lambi gi hek nakanda leiriba nungba primary health center da sahi ani gi mamang da sabal loikiba operation theater da asoiba leibana hoje pauba season ba yadna lady loinana Center sigi staff watpa madi center sina patients sing da piga da hida langta kaya pi da bana khunja sing awaba mayoknari hiramasida report ma
Manipur Sarkar ki Health Department si sakuna na ba hawjik ahen be miyang chang labasu hiram kaya da awada passing lebana praja sing da pena da ba amadi nungai to ba phawna da banate Mumba Primary Health Center asida khunja sing gi demand matungina sahi ani gi mamang da sabal wiki ba operation theater gi structure da Asweba Labana, Hosi Fauba season at the lady. Operation Theatre Gika Asi Yamna Nemana Machin Kia Tamlapada, Yadabugi Pibamda, Lehoba ISTV News na Tangarki. Center Sigi, Istapamana, Hosik Operation Theatre Gi, Darkar Yamna Labana, Marilenabo Authoritina, Akanmaming, Changani Pundoki. Renana, Primary Health Center Sida Hojik X-ray Machin Lay Adubu, Technician Tark Tabanamara Moduna Machinasi, Ariambada Taduna Lady. Kulkayagi Center Oibana, Nungba Primary Health Center Asida, Patient Lakpagi Changdi Wangi, National Health Mission gi Makada Yauna Ati, Patient Sing the Pipam Topa Hidak Lang Takaya, Pidana Lady, Arapa Mapam the Labor Center Sing, Asidadi, Marilenabo Authoritina, Matam Labor Kibika, Sector Widuna Awara Passing, Yangsin Haning have Wapam Su, Pundoki.
Dr. Machine si Aina Kangba the Krawa Tomali, Ohik Labor Digico, do Guiding Doctor Lake Muru in a go, and to the Angangi species of Matalituga. Gumbasi Koina cannot away destroyer Hana Canon pyramid in our Simnaco, my supply do the Koina, my lady destroy Tore, Tokramatuna Koina Sonda, Mapanda Koina, Tinki Amatali, do the dustbin head of Habla, my title Punico.
Primary Health Center Asida, Specialist Doctor Amadi Ate Stabkia Watpana, Analaying Tabak Packet Pada, Tuina Kudung Chadaba Mayokne Hanasu, Center Sigi Medical Officer Amana ISTV News the Fundoki, Kunjasingi Damak, Hojik Lady Stop Sing, Asini Yariba Makai, Penanaba Honori, Yamna Aruba Casing Yorkum Matamda, Center Asida Labor Kusukulai Sing Amadi, String Asiga Chana the Badagi, Anabasing Adu, Infal the Puduna, Lying Bagi Tabak, Sate Haiba Wapamsu, Fundoki.
Dum som degi district degi phanga ko pochai budi dum drip kumba kai budi dum khar budi dum le anang ko se khoi dum emo leiba makai sing sing dum poe specialist na taraga su ko training kumba khar thai operation theater gi damak ta ama kano budi khan leba adu busi me sijin na diriba adi structure kani mafam do ot gi damak ta di wat pa hai bata
ISTV Paugidamak and Ranjana Madina Phillips, Mumba Primary Health Center.
PDS के पोलम सिंह में अमदा मुपुंगपाना फंगन गदबनी हाइना मणिपुर प्रदेश तृणमूल कांग्रेस के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट MI खाना ngasi morangkhom da leiba party asiga opesta pangthokpa pangmising unabada phongdokre pangmising unabaduda mahila ke president and promo kerau kendra block ke president Abdul Salam vice president Ibothem Susuraki MI khana makha taraduna kerau kendra da praja singna PDS ke polam sing tha taruk tagi hena phangde hauzik leiriba MLA amasung nominee ani na manarga PDS ke polam sing lona lokthok lobra haibagi singna lei APL gi siang kezida lupa mapalga paisa kuntrada PWSU praja singda lupa taramathogi mathakta yoli haiki PDS ke polam sing kendra atai digi hantana kairau kendra da PWD praja ga loina sarkar gi mathakta ain gi thabak lokat kani haiki
siang sini amasung kerosin dadi sabun tawbugi thabak asi pangde sabun tawbugi thabak ka senari ba inoi sing adu MLA na kari karam ba action lobe dagi haibadu praja karau kendra praja da khangan bam thoi kari gumba MLA na yendri bacheng sing asi hukat laga karau kendra di praja singda amuk hana yenthok piu
Masakhang da khulai paibe sing attack torpada kunsuba sam rifles ke personal ni sole thodosi ngarang ayuk pung mapal min kuntra tabu matamda Sandel district ke manung senba masi khunam sung sida kulani gilona mafam da thoke bani solo basing adu de lens snag zit kundar surnar amasung rifleman tis sinki auni ISTV News na pama paw magi matungina Technopol Police Station gi manung suna leiriba masi khulda post hangdun leiriba kun suba Assam Rifles ki personal sing mau sagum ngarang ROP satpada masi khunamadi sita khun ani gi lonaba marakta hana lumdun leiramba afaba makal gi khulai paiba mioi sing aduna nomai kapsul khabani hari National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program NVB-DCB gi matangda regional review meeting ama ngasi hotel impal pangthokre awang nompo ki state director ki oiba review meeting aduda additional director NVB-DCP Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Dr. Abdias Kumar State ki Health and Family Welfare ki Principal Secretary Dr. Suresh Babu Director Dr. O Ibom Chana Singba Mioi Singna Suraki Taromadu da wangang kibasingna National Vector-Borne Disease Karino Control Program si matu karam na mai pa angadagi haibigi maramda sugay ni nainiki Principal Secretary Dr. Suresh Babu na India Government na paikaliba flagship program singa si mapung fana mai pa anbada kudong sarba kaya may unri hiram asing matang da mot kena ba kaya su ubo fanglay program singa si mai pa na pangthoke harabadi implementing agencies singda hakting na sel thada ba matutay fongdoke
and this we have raised repeatedly many times with the government of India not to come into this mode of fund transfer. All the national flagship programs, whether it is the National Health Mission, the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan or Ashtamik Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan or NREGS, whatever national, there are 14-15 flagship programs which are run by Government of India. Earlier, the concept of the entire mission mode constituting a society, NHM society or SSS society or MSS society, is to see that the constraint that the governments are facing in getting the funds is eased out by directly putting the fund into the accounts of these societies by the Government of India.
Mai masing tamba ma di khunai ma sakot pada ayat apan leitable lamdam mama purakna ba santigi motorcycle rally ma ngasi AISF Manipur na sinduna irabot baban gi complex tagi hoduna Imphal gi mayai lambi ma di thobal lambi te satkre rally aduna mayai lambi maya Imphal waggai kaksing khongjom ma di thobal faurga lenong lomda amuk laktuna irabot baban complex ta langthumbom oiki rally sig mari lenana AISF Manipur State Council gi president N Sanahalna Lisingani Taramarida Inner Line Permit System Sanahalu Haina Dabi Tobuda Sarkarna Toxil Hitabadagi Lamdamasida Kahena Awaba Mayonaki Asiguma Piba Masi Lisingani Taramanga di Totanaba Rally Sisatpani Haiki AISF Manipur State Council Secretary L Lelina Santi Pausal Puba Motorcycle Rally Sina Lamdamasida Santi Oina Sokat Lamzielda Kong Tangzinbada Saunomating Oigani Haiki
Masing Tambada Amadi Levak Sokumatam Ida Patosa Yemokia Yamayana Pomani Ashumba Masing Tamba Amadi Levak Sokupada Ida Topa Togo Tuxina she I was a hero about the Shuni Tarama Pota Oko Sulu Happy Pavil Kuba or Puta Sinja.
Lamdamasida Sathariba Muat Mine Singi Mayokta Kolaupuba Miamgi Kongsatama Nasi Northeast Dialogue Forum na Sinduna Haibong Popi Community Hall Digi Laden Kabi Pawsat International Humanitarian Law and Right to Life Haiba Pawsal Galuna Satkiba Kongsat Aduna Haibong Popi Digi Sanzenbam Yauna Tongan Kulka Fauduna Miam Kongsat Satki Kongsat Aduda Stop Crime War Safe Women Generation Haimnasimba Wahikia Placards in the EK Nupida Satarikliba Mute Minay Karamna Tingani Habihiramda Nomigoiba Seminar Ma Lamjan Masangla de Pantokre Singzaman de Leba Ningol Jaifalamjing Apunba Kanglefak NYLA Kena Sinba Seminar Aduda NYLA President T.S. Suvasini Devi Ward Ki Secretary Subita Mangsatabam Ifamge President Renuta Kalamam Yona Mukana Suraki Resource person kaya na nupi ang sing da sathrik ba mute minay kaya sige matangda wangang ki Ward ki Secretary Subitana gender issue si yamna maruiba nainada ba yada ba wafamni adoba country khara dadi gender gi damakta ministry fawa thamkre haiki
Makogi gender budget ka haidana tongana nupi sing dagi oiba budget se thamakan se chaukhatna ba nupi angang si develop tongna ba honari ba dumak akoi India di amna backward su oiri sigi field sida Bharat itself India itself se akoi patriarchal system chatnari ba nupana sason to ba nupana khuling ba samajama oiraga lisang sitna sahi lising oiraga lakhi ba ge dugum gi achawa kaino masu leimni aduna gender issue si Bharat ki oina India ki oina lakpa to sam thenge
Bharat Sarkar ge Ministry of Women's and Child Development amasung Community Food and Nutrition Extension Unit anin sinduna Infant and Young Child Feeding haiba sida nominini sumna sethagadaba orientation training course amang sidigi awang posambam khulen lekai da hokre posambam gram panchayat ki pradhan Maisna Mani awang posambam khulen ward number 1 ge member Sawam Premila amadi Dr Nukul Singhan maroi bami singwena sarukaki Angalwadi worker amadi helper kayana sarugakaba training course hodopgi torom aduga mari lenna Community Food and Nutrition Extension Unit ki demonstrations officer as Biharina nupi oiba singna masioiba sinjak thong thakpana imung manung da leiriba mioi sing hasang pana thamba ngaungani angang amadi inkhalakliba naha singda karamba sinjak pizagani amadi ahal oiraba singdana karamba sinjak pizagani haiba si nupi oibi singna khangjinba tangai fade Hauzik mama oibi kharana mapandi pusilpa asaport kaya angang singda pizaba yauriba asidagi angang kaya mabuk naba madi makhal makha kaya gi laina laktaba nate haike
angang da karma mongda karma sinja pizagani adi inkhalaiba adolescent sinda adolescent girl adolescent boys ko makoi sinda karma sinja pizagani adagi adult singdana karma sinja chagani Ada wali jual ba, eziat buat ba, ada halal ba music dana, kerana cinta pijak kita ke, hai bi wakil cinta itu na sem sabam atau tai.
Kangabok New Market maya da furga hundolong ba miyo ma Thobal Police na lokalaga District Hospital Thobal da laikan nakre miyo dugi makhong amadi makhutek le hari hospital gi record matung ina solo ba miyo si lelong dugi hojik na Nagamapal da barada leiba amukawi hari mak masana fongdropugi matung ina di Tilipati gi Samu building da leibani hari Singzamai Songtham Leka Leba CPI Singzamai Local Office ta CPI Infal City District Conference Pangthok Galunena Tungan ba hinum kaya da khanane kre hairi Diagnosis and Management of Hemophilia ge matangda nomigoi ba continuing medical education ni thoroma ngasi RIMS ki Departments of Immunohematology and Blood Transfusion ge conference hol pangthokre Department of Immunohematology and Blood Transfusions amasung Hemophilia Society Infal Chapter na sinno pangthokpa thoromaduda doctor amasung ate specialist mioi hompuni thoina sarugaki thoromaduda RIMS ki Medical Superintendent M Amuba chapter ge Organizing Secretary Birendra Sharma President Maina amadi Regional Council ge Chairman Ajoy Roina maroiba mioi singwena sarugaki Taronga mari lena Ajoy Roina RIMS da Hemophilia asigi lang satanaba mapung phana khudong sabat leire Dr Singh na patient party ge loina na thabak tominasi haiki Hemophilia Societies Infal Chapter ge President Mainana Chapter na lisingani tarahumdoi dagi thabak tawduna lakpadagi miyamda khudong sabo kya fangan kre haike
That is just for the hemostatic laboratory, not only for the hemophilia, but there are many other acquired bleeding disorders like the DIC and others. It can be 24-hour monitoring and the total hemostatic cell lab support. And I'm planning one for that. It will be discussed with the pathology people, with the director, medical superintendent. I think it will be an essential the component in the diagnosis.
Lagliba January tang tarategi numit chamani supna Meghalaya da satagaduriba Meghalaya Festival da BMX freestyles battle da All India ge competition da saruk yana ba Manipur masamari Laisram Loyangamba Jackson Koizam Ngangom Malesan amadi Bolter Puyam ngasim fal thadokre Kumalampa Hockey Stadium ge award passing ayamba sangwat sagat pa loislakle AstroTurf Hockey Field World Class Standard Oirihana International Track Master Anthony Aparealina Network asigi sport journalist Boyai Ningthozamga akhanana unabada fongdorkre Mamangda quality mental tawna lerba hockey field ge material singi muta nauna AstroTurf watering system goal post pangkatpagaluna hockey field asigi dama vacuum cleaning machine amasu thungna leire International Track Master asina hockey field asi ISO testing torbo matungda nauna installation torbo watering system so kupna yengsinke
Now I'm gonna do the watering, but the field is already very good. It's a world-class field. Actually, the product is a TX from Greenfield. It's the same used in La Hague, in Netherlands in 2014 for the World Championship. It's a very good project. I've tested maybe more than 100 field for football, FIFA, and something like 40-50 field over the world for hockey and running track as well.
FIFA accredited Test Institute ki member oriba Track Master Anthony na makataraduna hockey field si sei sigi June thada Netherlands pangthukadruba World Cup ki hockey field ga sapmanare International Hockey Federation amadi Manipur Development Society ga collaboration tawrga sengoliba hockey field si test tawlore certificate pibaga loinana International Hockey Federation da report ama submit tawrgani haike.
The Manipur Society Development here and also the director of the stadium. I think they've done a good collaboration job and the result is very good. I started yesterday already and now I'm finishing today, but I'm very confident. And as soon as I finish, I will issue my report, send it to FIH directly, and in a couple of weeks then they will receive a certificate, official certificate from the federation. And so far I haven't seen any inconsistencies. The field is very homogeneous. The values are almost the same everywhere. It's a very good field. I think for like national game, international game, will be no problem here.
Amaromda track master sigaloiner kiba grill field company gi India gi representative Deepak Khunolkar ga phongdor kibada field asi test tawnaba madi certificate issue tawnaba bahak su Manipur si lakibani field asi India gi oina ihanan ba international gi thakta sanaba yabo maphamama oigadori bani haike.
Turf system. That's a Dutch company operating out of Netherlands, and we have come here to do the certification and testing of this field, which is a process that is required after installation of any hockey field that is of global conditions. That's the reason we are here, to do the certification and the testing with the FIH lab people who are here right now doing the testing. This is the exact same pitch that is laid here, and for the first time I think in India this is the same pitch that has come. A lot of players in Stag and Indian coach is also looking to come and play here once the pitch is certified for practicing. Since this is a similar surface they will have for the next World Cup as well.
Tha sigi mapal digi taramatoi fauba Dali Rashara Durga Chhattisgarh da pangthokiba Junior and Master Physical Excellence National Bodybuilder Championship da sanagi medal fanglaba Moirangthem Ranjitpu Opui Toromama Langtawal Kunja Mariapaibe Luf Amadi Lekagi Miam na Sindunangasi Langtawal Kunja Purki Sobamapal da Pangtokre Indian Bodybuilder Federation Gip Miang Makada Chhattisgarh Bodybuilder Association Sin Pangtokiba Championship Aduda Ranjit na Sahi Yankai Digi Hompu Faubugi Manunda Labor Music competition da medal Silor Kibani Championship Asida Manipurigi Puna Bodybuilder Taramatoina Saru Yabugi Manunda Mui Marina Gold Ama Silver Ama Bronze Amadi 4th position Ama Loduna Championship Asigi overall team runners of Manipurna Tarakibani. Loisilak pada maru bapau amukan napizri nungba PAC da sahi ani gi mamang da saba hokiba operation theater asoi belebina haujuk phoba season ba yatna lady